everybody, I'm here with a Nature Box unboxing. It's $20 a month and you get 5 or 6 bags in it. It's nothing but like healthy snacks and stuff. The first thing in our box is a little bit about the products and information and tell me chances of winning stuff. The next thing is like a shipping label. Tell me what came in my box. And then I had originally subscribed for the snack box, but somehow they messed up and gave me a regular box. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not really complaining because I got charged the same as I would for the sample box, which is free. But they just kind of made it but it's okay. The first thing we got is barbecue kettle corns. This box is basically for me and my husband and children, so some of these I'm not going to try because they're not for me. And this is the barbecue kettle corns. Kernels. I can't talk today, sorry. Then we got chili lime pistachios, which is another husband thing. I'm not into hot stuff. Peanut butter nom noms. I'm going to try this one. It's like a little cookie. They're really moist and sticky. That's kind of what it looks like. Let's see what it tastes like. It tastes like an Oreo cookie. It's really good. That's really good. The next thing I got is the Big Allen pineapple, which I am subscribed to Daily Bumps and Bama Chick 1101, and they get the Nature Box too, along with the Shea Tarts. And all of them rave on this one, so let's see how good they are. Oh my goodness, they're like stuck together. And I'm only doing little pieces of it. I'm not going to eat the whole thing. That's kind of what it looks like, but it's in like a big ring, like a pineapple slice. Oh my gosh. It is so good. It tastes like a pineapple. It is yummy. And I got dried California peaches. Again, another thing for me, so I'm going to try it. If I can get it open. This one has like a little bit more in it than the other one did, but that's okay. That's what it looks like. Just like a dried up slice of peach. It's alright. It's not as moist as the other one. But it's good too. It tastes like peach. So I got 5 bags. Good size bags. They range from 3 ounces to 5 ounces. So it's quite a bit of product. The fruit don't have quite as much and the num-nums as the nuts do. But I'm guessing that's just product cost. But other than that, it's a very good box. I think I'm going to continue with Nature Bots. They have a big variety on their website. And, you know, if you go now, you can get the snack box for free. And it comes with like little snack size and then a big size. Or the regular box, which is $19 for the 5 big bags. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you.